Hello, I'm Lotte, your everyday laughter queen, and I'm here to give you a few tips on how you can bring more laughter into your lives on a daily basis, even when there's nothing or very little to laugh about. Simply because laughter is good for us. It lifts our mood, it lowers stress, it helps improve our health and well-being, and it helps to change our perspective so we more easily can cope with whatever challenges we're facing. All of this is possible if you practice every day. So, first of all, let's put a smile on our face. Even if we don't feel like it, we can pretend. So, put the smile on your face. Take a breath in as deep as you can. And when you breathe out, you separate your lips and you breathe out with a ha 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 ha. Let's do it again. And a little bit faster. And even if your laughter doesn't turn into real laughter, it's okay. It's just a natural process and it's just a practice. The next thing is when you face yourself in the mirror or face someone else, give yourself thumbs up. You made it there. And even if you simply do it with a ha 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 ha, the other person may just do the same. If you're with yourself, you will do it. And in the morning, my experience is when I'm waiting for the kettle to boil for my first cup of coffee, it takes forever. Have a little argument with your kettle. Ha 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 ha. Or even ho 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 ho. And finally, just to say, let's take a deep breath in and clench your hands. When you breathe out, you do it with a ha 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 ha. This is good for circulation. So it lifts your mood, it's good for circulation, and it really helps to bring a different perspective into your life. Keep laughing. Thank you.